Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Camry driver side mirror. Start by gathering basic tools, disconnecting the battery, and removing the interior door panel to access the mirror harness and mounting bolts. Work in a well-lit area and set fasteners in a tray so nothing rolls away. If the mirror glass is cracked, handle it carefully and remove shards before unbolting the assembly. When removing the old mirror, keep a steady hand and follow each step slowly so nothing breaks. Pry the trim piece gently with a plastic tool, unplug the electrical connector, and loosen the 3 mounting bolts while supporting the mirror assembly. Lower the mirror straight out to avoid snagging the paint or weather seal. Inspect the wiring and harness for corrosion or damage before fitting the replacement mirror. Quick recommendation: if you like convenient gear while you work, consider those bento box leak-proof containers for storing small parts or lunches between steps. They seal tight and clean easily. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more car repair content you can trust. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Install the new mirror by aligning it to the door and hand-threading the bolts to avoid cross-threading. Tighten bolts evenly and reconnect the electrical plug, then reconnect the battery to test power adjust, heating, and turn signal if equipped. If everything works, power down, reinstall the interior trim, and torque the bolts to manufacturer feel. Finish by checking mirror alignment from the driver's seat and rechecking all fasteners for tightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.